What's up, everybody? This is your boy, Money Making Jess, and I'm back in the flex. What's going on, everybody? This is the official first episode of my new venture that I got myself into, which is Forex trading. So basically, this part of my journey is my training days. I'm in the grind, I'm in the classroom. You know what I'm saying? I'm just everywhere trying to figure out how to gain this or get a winning edge in this forex. Which you know what? Of all the financial markets, I really think forex you can gain a slight edge that if you do it right, you can come out ahead in the long run. Now, I've only been doing this for about 2 months, 2.5 months, maybe close to a month and a half, 2 months. And I can tell you one thing, I'm very excited because this is like a whole new world I can conquer. I can try to take over or somewhat take over. But man, it's so far it's been a trip because you think you got it figured out and it kicks you in the butt because one thing with the forex market and most financial markets, there's no holy grail. You know what I'm saying? There's no holy plan, there's no holy strategy, there's no holy indicator. So you basically got to use several different tools in your arsenal belt, you know what I'm saying? To kind of get a slight edge. Now, one of the things I have learned is that you are not going to win every trade. So if you see somebody promoting a product, service, or anything stating that they can win you 99% of the time, 80% of the time, I don't think so. I don't think it's out there. It's a scam because it's not going to happen. That's not how the market is. You know what I'm saying? The only way that can happen if you can foresee the future. If that's the case, then you better off doing the lottery. Until then, people, nah. You gotta regroup. You gotta rethink. You gotta come up with new ideas. Of course, we want to win every trade, but that's not gonna happen. I haven't been doing this that long, and I already know that's not possible. So, people, stop with all the lies. Don't send me no more. Join my group. I can guarantee you this. Nah, I want the truth, and that's why I'm here to help my people spread the truth so we can get the truth. I'm sorry about that. I just had to do that because somebody tried to sell me to a program thinking I'm a newbie, which I am a newbie to Forex, but I ain't a newbie to getting this money. So I know a scam when I see one or hear one or read one or chat with one. So stop it, people. Stop it. It's not going to happen no more. That's why I'm here, people, to help the newbies, the new ones, even the veterans get away from this dumb shit and let's move on and getting this money. I'm trying to find an edge to beat in this game we call the Forex market. Yeah. So, this is my first episode of my training days. I hope y'all like my style. This is how I come. I come raw, I come energetic, and it's just me. Um, some of my followers know me from the Blueprint of a Side Hustler. This is basically the same format, just elevated on a more investment angle, more of a Forex investment type trading I'm going to do. So, if y'all want to learn with me, make money with me, profit with me, follow me, subscribe to me, join me, buy me coffee, buy me a donut, buy me a hot dog, something. Collab with me. Join my trader group, the 500. That's coming soon. You want to be a 500? You can be, and you will be. But that's coming soon, people. I got a lot of things coming down the pipeline, and I'm ready. I'm ready to make this money. Not even make money, make assets that generate cash flow. That's the game. Do you understand what I'm saying? We need assets to generate cash flow so we can do what we want to do. Travel when we want to travel. Work when we want to work. Do what we want to do. Buy what we want to buy. Be who you meant to be. Your own king in your own kingdom. Yeah. But enough of that. As you can see, this is my new website. mmjdoesforex.com. Yeah, you see all the links. My Facebook page, earn coins everywhere. This is with Telegram, Twitter, and the YouTube channel. Subscribe, follow, join all those. We gotta get our account up, people. Please help a brother out. I got kids to feed. All right. So here's the site, homepage. It's got my intro. It's got a free ebook, price action trading guide. Get it. It's got some good information on there. I'm a price action trader myself, and it's a little bit of stuff down there. That's called the footer. People don't know what that's called. Articles. So it pulls up here. A lot of my articles probably won't be about trading, but self-discipline, psychology, and money management, because those two things are the most important thing that you have to learn when you start this game, especially in forex. Money management and trading psychology. And man, and that's been my problem lately, is that I've been slipping because I'm not disciplined enough yet to trade live. Because if I traded live right now, I would lose it all. Because I'm so eager to win every trade, which I know is a falsehood, because you can't win every trade. Because I don't have the discipline enough to tell myself to get out. That's the problem, people. You got to get out. When you're at the casino and you ahead, what you do? You get up and you leave. Same thing with the forex market. You got to know when to get out. Either if you're positive or negative, you got to learn to get out, people. You got to learn to get out. That self-control, that willpower. All right. Now to the learning hub. All right. So basically, this is how I'm learning forex trading. People, you got to start at baby pips. No ifs, ands, or buts. Do not do anything else. That was my mistake. I'm trying to read this, read that, boom, 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 and too much information overload. Do the baby pips university first. This right here. Sign up for babypips.com. You know what, people? It's free. They don't even charge you a lick. You know what I'm saying? But buy them a coffee, though. You know what I'm saying? Give them something. Because this knowledge right here, people charging thousands. As you can see, I've done 97 lessons completed. I'm past preschool, and I thought I was smart. Kindergarten, done it. Elementary, done it. Not still on moving averages. You know what I'm saying? Middle school, bam. I used to like middle school, bam. Pivot points, I love those. I'll show you in a minute. Summer school, been to it once or twice in my life. Man, this right here is my favorite chart. Right here, right there, people. High school, hated it. Undergrad, whatever. Drank a lot, partied a lot. All right, then graduation, people. That's where you want to get to. Once you get to this right here, then you move on to the other people in the books. But before you move on in your training, please take it from somebody who didn't follow this to the T. And I'm telling you guys, start with babypits.com. Do the whole training from preschool to college, whatever. Do it all. Then once you finish that, go to my man, no nonsense forex.com. This guy right here, you gotta remember also these videos are 1 or 2 years old. So a lot of the stuff he talks about baby pips, don't follow them, blah blah blah. Take that with a grain of salt. The only thing I recommend that you guys really pay attention to and follow is watch the trading, psychology, and money management videos. These here. This was going to separate the good traders from the alright traders to the bad traders. Because if you don't have psychology, you don't know when to get out or have patience or that willpower, you will lose it all. You'll blow your account. You gotta learn money management because that's another part of it. Then once you do that, then go to my man Forex for Noobs. If you want to learn price action trading education, That's the type of trader I am. The no nonsense Forex, they're more of trend trading. I'm kind of a blend of both. And Baby Pips is where you get your education from. It's where you get your street knowledge from, your street cred. Go to babypips.com. Then the book, it's one book I recommend right now. But as I say, do Baby Pips studies first. Um, no nonsense. Victor, right here, he does have a book that basically takes all his videos and puts it into a book. I would suggest you do Baby Pips first, then buy this book. Then start buying the books. And also do have some free Forex video training for you guys. I have 3 video episodes up there now. I will add the rest of the series. This is free. Okay? Learn it now, people. Get money. Learn something you can use and make money for the rest of your life. Get away from that 9 to 5 grind. Start making your own money. Become your own boss. One thing I must tell you, people, demo trading is key to having a successful trading experience. Do not trade live until you go through all this and have 6 months of consecutive wins over losses in pips. If you can't do that, don't even try to do it live because you're going to lose it all. You're going to blow it up. You're going to lose it all. I'm telling you. This right here is not a quick rich scheme. It's going to take time. As you can see, within 6 to 9 months or even a year or two. You know what I'm saying? You become very profitable in this. But that's nothing. 2 years is nothing. It's 24 months. Nothing. Learn it now. Learn between watching this, watching that, doing that, driving that, doing this. Learn it now. So in 2 years from now, you can tell your boss, see ya, or whoever. Money is king. So learn how to rule it. Money making just. It's one of my mottos, among other mottos. All right. So this is the Learning Hub. I will be adding more books, articles, and videos to this. The ones that I find I think are helpful to my trading. Now, I must make a disclaimer right now. I am not a professional investor guru, none of that stuff. So what I'm telling you is what I'm doing or what I've done to get to where I'm at. So always take what I say, do your own research, and go from there. Okay? The 500. Everybody saying, what is that? So this is gonna be my trading club. This is not here yet, people. It's coming soon. These are some of the benefits of the club, the price of the club, and people. It's only gonna be 500 spots. First 500 people come. That's what I'm gonna build my club off of, and then I'm going from there. It's gonna be a very exclusive club of traders, new, mid, older, doesn't matter. We're gonna come in, collab, come together, and make and get together with some great money ideas. Okay, the 500 Traders Club coming soon, people, coming soon. So here's the tools. Now here's my current trading plan. This is what I follow. I update this every single day, but I'm getting close to where I don't need to update it. I got a couple more tweaks of this, and I think I got it, people. I think I got it. Once I do this, I need to do 100 consecutive trades off this without changing it. But it's still too new for me to set that goal. That's the next level. Once I'm 100% with this, I'm going to do my 100 trades with this and see my winning rate to loss rate ratio in pips. Okay, people? But so far, this is what I come up with. And this right here is my trading status. Since this is a demo account and some reason my FX book, I can't get it to validate something, so I'm still working on it with Forex.com. Till then, I'll do some screenshot pictures. So this is where I'm at right now. You know, so I'm very transparent. This is a demo account. You know what I'm saying? This is not my money. This is fake money. But the principles are real, the plan is real, so this eventually one day will be real. But until I master it, get it down to where I want it to be, I will demo trade. People, do not be afraid or scared or embarrassed to demo trade. That's how you become a professional. That's how you make money in this game. If you trade stocks or whatever you trade, you always do it in the demo account first, people. And you have to do it for a minute, people. Don't do it for a week and think you hit something or you golden. Because I tell you, my first trade, man, I think I made like 3,000. I'll show you. Hold on a second. Let me look. So right here, deposit 50 racks. No, 0 racks. This is a demo account. This is not real. So I did this on September 4th. Okay, September 4th. This is my first trade. This is the first trade I got involved with. I made 40 bucks. I'm thinking I'm doing something. My first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades, I made money. Look here. Within my fourth freaking trade, I made 2,000. I went up 158 freaking pips. Then look. Then look. They had three losing streaks. Bam! I came back. Then what? What? Lost some more. Bam! See what I'm saying, people? And usually when I lost here is because I didn't trade my plan and I traded in the cloud, people. I traded in the cloud. Bam! 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 So as you can see right here, huge loss. Huge loss. Oh, that's a win. I'm sorry, that's a win. Loss. 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 Huge loss. And that's my problem, people. When I lose, I'm losing big. I like to go big, but I don't like to lose big. So this is what I got to work on. And one of my problems is, people, I'm not using stop losses. I know I'm going to get grilled for that. I know. I'm going to start using stop losses. But I'm so impatient because I want this stuff to work. I'm not looking towards the bigger picture. Like right here. Bam! 353. Ooh, it's killing me. So that's my problem, people. I'm not using stop losses. So when I lose, I'm losing big. You know, that's my problem. I got to start incorporating stop losses. Look at this. My worst day ever. So basically, this win didn't mean jack because I lost it all. Look, I lost it all right here. Bam. See, the market is not forgiving, people, if you don't stick to your plans. Look at this. Bam. Look at this. This is my worst week ever. And you know what the problem was, people? Look at this. This is crazy. My first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades was close to 4,000. Look at this. 5, 1,100, 300, 2,000, 44. Look at that. Hey, but look at people. Look, I lost it all. Because I know what the hell I was doing. See what I'm saying? But me coming in winning like this, I thought I knew what I was doing. But look what happens. Bam! I got caught in the butthole. Bam! Lost it all. Bam! It's crazy, ain't it, people? It's crazy. But it's good because it ain't my real money. It's demoing. That's why I can laugh about it. So right now, this is where I'm at. So this is my latest buy. And as y'all can see, I'm down 44 pips, baby. I'm down $323. You gotta know why I'm down? I'm a guess. Put in the comments where I think I'm down. All right. I'm gonna come back to this later, and I'm gonna let y'all know. But put in the comments why I think why this trade bombed. So here's where my account is right now. So right now I'm only down $504, right? So I've actually all that money that I lost and got back, I'm only $504 down. So I'm not doing too bad, okay, people. I'm not doing too bad. My leverage is 50 to 1, which is that's good. So I'm not that bad, okay? Total trades won 65%, trades lost 35%, which I'm actually doing pretty good. But the problem is my losses have been so big because I wasn't using stop losses. And that's part of my trading plan. Look, where's it at? Stop loss. Bam! I have it in my plan. Bam! Never take positions in the cloud. It's in my freaking strategy. So people, you have to be patient. You have to be disciplined and follow your strategies. If not, this will be up 2-3 grand. Who knows? It will be down like this. But that's my fault. It's part of training days. That's why I'm learning. That's why I'm letting people know why it's so important. Look at these good win. But it don't matter because that took it away. You know what I'm saying? Bam. That's the problem. You know, I gotta get my losses down. I know I can do it with stop losses or trailing stops. I gotta start doing that. All right. So enough of hammering that, okay, peoples. So right here, I think the markets are closed, aren't they? Oh, Sydney's open. So hopefully we get some traction on that. I doubt it. All right. So this right here, people, is one of my scanners I use to find trades. I'll go over to another video, but this is one I use, and this is basically where that bad trade is at on the daily. So you can see it's in the cloud. And when I stupidly bought this thing, it looked like this. Now, if I would have looked at this first before I put the buy in, I would have never bought into this. Because you never, ever trade in the cloud. Freaking pissed, man. This right here is my, what is this, my wrinkle charts, which I'll make a video how you can do wrinkle charts inside of MT4, which is not that difficult once you learn the process. Now, as you can see, I have it to where I can click on something and tell me what my stop losses is. Look, bam, stop loss, bam. So I have a function that will tell me. I don't have to calculate the crap. What is wrong with me? This is a demo account, Jesse. Treat it like it's your real money. That's your problem, boy. Get it together. All right. So what this right here does, it links to my FX book, so it keeps that updated. So this chart doesn't really mean anything to me. I just use it to run this indicator, so it keeps everything I do on the MT4 platform gets pushed back to my FX book. And I will also have a video showing how I set all this stuff up as well for newbies like myself who may struggle getting this set up. All right. So let's minimize that. So Sydney's open. This right here, this Forex market time converter, I love this program because it lets me know when the markets are open according to my time zone, which is Phoenix area. So people, if you want this, it's the forex.timezoneconverter.com. Go ahead and add it to one of your bookmarks. It's very useful. It lets you know when it opens and closes. Bam. There you go. All right, so this right here is a new thing from babypips.com. This is what they call market milk. And this is very useful. And if I would have looked at that pair on here, I would have knew not to buy it. So I'm still learning this right here, so I'm not going to really comment too much on it. But it does have a lot of useful information, so I do recommend you guys. And it's free. It's free right now. So, I mean, I'm sure one day they may charge, it may not, but it's free. A lot of great information. So I use this as one of my secondary confirmation tools before I take a trade, which I didn't do that on that one trade. That's why I'm down almost $40. Fucking bullshit. My fault. Whatever. So definitely get join babypiss.com, uh, enable this market milk, and go from there. All right. So here's no nonsense forex. The game is beatable. So start here. Here's his website, his podcasts, his videos, FAQs. Great, great website. What I would do, money management and trading psychology. You can do the rest of the stuff, but he really hammers on baby pips and like don't use these indicators because they're old and outdated. He has a point to certain things, but you trade the way you trade. If you find an indicator, regardless if it's on his worst 12 or not, then use it because there's other successful traders out there that are using these tools and they're working. One thing you must remember, these tools or indicators are not going to give you 1% signals all the time. Okay, a lot of them are lagging. Some try to predict the future, stuff like that. So you have to find ones that you like, study them, and understand the indicator and get you like a handful of indicators. You don't need to know them all. Get a handful of indicators, learn them in and out, and then base those on your trading. Because a lot of times you can just look at a chart and know if it's going up or down. You know what I'm saying? So, and you can just look at price movement as it's going up and down. So the indicators just got confirmation, people. Confirmations. It's not the holy grail. So kind of go through this. I mean, it's good information. A lot of stuff is 1 or 2 years old. But go through it. I enjoy his site. And I like his podcast and stuff like that. You know. So I kind of went over baby pips. I'm still up here in where are we at? Ooh, man, ooh, elementary. I think I'm in the fourth and fifth grade. Still fourth, fifth. But one thing I've noticed, because I also read a lot on my phone when I'm driving for Lyft, is that I'm actually in middle school doing oscillators. But for some reason, it hasn't updated, and I know I've done it on my phone. So I don't mind going back because it reinforces a lot of things I probably missed or didn't understand the first time I read it. So I don't mind going back through it because it's gonna help me out in the long run. Okay. And this right here, I just kind of stumbled upon this because I was kind of confused what overbought and oversold in Forex really meant. And We Talk Trade, this is the first article I read by them, and I'm really impressed on the way it's simplified. It really breaks it down to layman terms for especially for newbies. So I haven't really looked really into them, people. So I would suggest you take a look at them because so far I'm impressed at this one article because Baby Pips and other people have stated what overbought and oversold meant, but I didn't fully grasp it until I read this article. Now that could be because I had some previous knowledge because reading those other articles, so this article kind of just was like, oh, I got it, or maybe I just got it when I read this. I don't know, but I can tell you one thing: it was a lot easier to read than Baby Pips. I will say that. You know what I'm saying? So I definitely would say that. So I'm definitely gonna check more with them. So my next video, I definitely will have an update on the We Talk trade. So far, I'm liking her style. I'm liking her style. This Traders Club, I don't know. I haven't looked into this yet. Um, I just look at a lot of different stuff, a lot of different people try to get ideas from, because everybody's basically saying the same stuff and not saying the same stuff. But I'm still learning, so when I find something new, I like to learn it all. So I look at a lot of different stuff. So I'm not recommending this site at all. So that's not what this is here for. I'm just letting you know what I'm doing. And this right here is back to my website. This is my I gotta actually gotta update this picture. But that's it, people. I mean, full circle here, I guess. So I do appreciate your time on my first episode of Training Days. Woo! I will be back. I love you guys. Thank you for your time and patience. And don't forget to subscribe. Hit all my channels up. Follow, subscribe. You know what? I do like coffee, people. Please buy me a coffee. I do enjoy coffee. And the coffee I like is six cubes of sugar, cream, and 3 ice cubes, baby. Brew. You know what I'm saying? Shake it, not stir it, baby. Nah, that's my Jameson or my Gentleman Jack drink. But anything, this your boy, Money Making Jess. Oh yeah, and back to this right here. Remember I was gonna tell you people that I was gonna tell y'all the reason why I failed at this is because of my golden rule. I swear this is my golden rule, people. Never take a buy or sell position when price is in the cloud. Ugh, it's killing me, people. But I'll be back. Thank you for listening. Have a safe and profitable day. This your boy, Money Making Jess. Yeah.